Hello everyone. So welcome to this Nifty daily prediction service. I have a cool service made for the stock market traders. It will give you the daily Nifty prediction a month before it sells. This service is provided as a subscription today to my customers, which can tell you how Nifty is going to be moving on daily basis. I mean on every trading day. Um, for example, whether the Nifty will be bullish or bearish are going to be much volatile, leading to green or red, etc. during a particular day. To let you know this, today this subscription is being used by many traders on daily trades as well as to plan their monthly trades. So in this today's situation, taking a trade position or doing a long-term stock market investment is becoming very easy, and that's why everyone are entering into the stock market today. But how they are doing this is just by watching the business news channel or video recommendations which is coming to them. Doing the trades and investment decisions and all are being driven by that mostly. But such kind of trades, if you later check those stocks or the positions they have taken, you will notice that such stocks or positions are really losing the market shares. So just take a look into or check with people on the older portfolios, and you will recognize what I'm saying is right or wrong. This is happening because the news media driven stock market experts can't predict the market just by using the technical analysis. It can only forecast to an extent with the past graphs and the technical analysis, but they cannot tell what is going to be the upcoming trend in the long run. It is only using astrology that can say it has said the upcoming virus spread and its panic that is supposed to, that happened in stock market. It is only using the financial astrology 2020 stock market fall was predicted. I mean, I cannot advocate for someone else, but whatever I'm saying is about my own research, which I have done in the financial markets, also which is called as a mundane astrology, right? You can check my Facebook post with the date and timestamp, which is available as a past post in my profile. Had given some of the screenshots in this video itself, which you can also take. So I am saying that the market, the news channels, things can't predict is because they keep seeing that using the technical analysis. In fact, they will say that the timing the market is wrong. This is because technical analysts are unable to tell when the market will make its turn. They cannot say that, and when the market will come down, and when the downside will happen, etc. Technical charts and graphs can't predict. It can only forecast because it uses the past data. The past data cannot tell what is going to happen in the future. But using financial astrology, one can make such predictions, like when the market is going to go up in future as well as when it can go down. And it has been achieved as part of my subscription, and a lot of people are already using it. I'm not saying that I'm going to give you 100% accuracy, but this is far beyond the technical analysis or any other methods which is available today. That's what the astrology is offering. And I have my own framework which I have refined out of the astrology, Vedic astrology things which is available in the market. I have researched, I have tuned a lot of things, a lot of best practices have been brought into that, and that's how I have come to this. Right. So my recommendations for traders is to use financial astrology predictions along with the technical analysis to take daily positions. I'm not saying to get rid of technical analysis. What I'm saying is you use it, along with the technical analysis. You continue to use technical analysis, but This is prediction. With this prediction, you will know what is going to happen in the future, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or by the month end, what it is going to happen. And it has helped my subscribers to generate more profits with confidence. So look at this prediction which I have given here, very clear about the June 1st. This I posted for free in my Facebook. The same thing which is available also in my subscription. I told on June 1st, avoid trades today, it can risk your capital. But Nifty will initially go up and then become volatile and downtrend will happen. So you have to be very cautious, and especially these ascendants or Lagna, if we have to say it from the Vedic astrology, I said that be cautious in your trade or better avoid this. And you can see that the morning which it start right, it started and again it started going down, and this is how it has been going on. And if you see the entire day, this is how it has been happening. And this is what the Nifty graph, using which the technical analysts, do or, use the past data and all these things. So you can see that it, it has, gone up initially and then started, coming down. And that's what exactly which I was, trying to say my subscribers. So similar kind of things which I provide day by day, sometime with time and sometime with bank Nifty, metals and many other the indexes and all these things. So some of my feedback, which I receive from subscribers, I don't try to disturb my subscribers, but they proactively come back and give these kind of predictions are really wonderful, and what it is doing, how it is different from the other market selling product. This is really a cool service that I'm demonstrating here in the screens. Yeah, and there take into the daily predictions which I'm giving. It's not just giving daily prediction is not possible, without knowing the long-term understanding. And that's how it's a huge research, and that's how I drill down to the daily predictions. So, hence, I hold my views for several years that is supposed to come in future. And that's how I had shared my 2020 market crash prediction in August 2019. If you look at here, right, though I have shared this my view in WhatsApp with the group which I was running at the time. I have been knowing this at a very early stage of 2019 itself, but this is the time when I came with confidence that okay, this is what I feel. And I see 2020 to be very similar to the years like 1929 or 1990 and all these things. And that's how I have been referring these years in this, this. And I was saying that 2020 we are going to see a lot of, issues are going to come. And beyond this, for 2021, I came up with the month-on-month stock market predictions. Again, I'm saying that when I'm giving the month-on prediction or yearly prediction, I'm not saying that my predictions are 100% perfect, but I leave it to my, the who are watching this video to evaluate how far I have done it better compared to the other stuff. That's what I am coming to. This is my own research. Some of my students who came forward to participate and practice astrology. I mean, learning astrology is different and practicing astrology is different. The students who thought of practicing along with me also contributed to this, and that's how these things have come in place. And we have done this. And if you look at 2022, what I was trying to do is I have given this. If you look at the date, right, I have told on the March itself. Just before I wrote about the month-on-month prediction for 2021, I also have a view about 2022. And I have clearly mentioned that during that time itself, from May 2022, Saturn will shrink the 11th house. 11th house is for the profits. And the earlier whatever the investments they would have done in 2020, 19 or 2021, right, those profit levels are going to come down, right, and the expenses are going to go up. You have started seeing the inflations. You have started seeing how the profits of the people in stock markets or mutual funds are started coming down very slowly, right? And when I say stock market crash, 2022 is not exactly going to be like 2020, where the suddenly the market went down. That is not the case here. It is going to be a totally a different case, right? There are under 2022, 2023, or 2024, the years which is going to come, we are going to see a different kind of trends which is going to come up. And I try to cover it as a part of daily predictions, as a part of my financial astrology, which I do for as a part of my consulting. So this is financial astrology studying stock market, and this is completely different from reading a human horoscope. So you can see that in the October 2021 is the far high the market reached. And you can see that during the March 2022, it came down, which I have indicated in September, the 28th, plus or minus 5 or 10 days, right? Before that, there will be a huge market impact. You can see that from the top, the market has come down. Again, there is a down, which is going to happen. I mean, which has happened in the month of May, which I have indicated here. Again, there is going to be other, interesting things is going to happen, which is also being shared as a part of the subscription, also a part of the stock market investments, which people want to do. For that perspective, also, I'm trying to cover it. So, so this is about how the market is moving on. And coming to the terms and conditions, when I talk about the daily Nifty predictions, the daily Nifty predictions is given here. You can just do a read of this to understand what I'm talking about here. Uh, Beyond doing the daily prediction, I also help people on how they can do long-term stock market investment. I call it as a using financial astrology for wealth creation. I read the individual's horoscope to understand how that can be done for themselves. So I have done that in 2019 with some of my existing clients. Even now these stocks are really really performing well. You can see the see the cost and see the profits. This screenshot is available in my previous videos in my YouTube itself. You can see, and again I'm putting it. Even now you can see that these stocks are performing really well. So timing the market is very important, and that is something which is possible only by using astrology, and it is being done after long research which I have done as a part of this work. This client's horoscope was more into long term investing, which you're seeing right now. And I suggested him to invest. In fact, this is not his own horoscope, but his wife's horoscope, which I shortlisted from the entire family for wealth creation perspective. And across the time period. So when I'm talking about the wealth creation, it's a long term investing. For that, also, I am giving certain advices, which my clients make use of. And here you go. If you want me to follow me. These are the links where you can get connected with. I post a lot of free content that comes out of my research. I collectively also come back and put some video whenever I get time. Um, because the astrological research which I do is beyond stock markets. Anything which falls under the stock market, I share it with relevant people, as well as I post many other tracks like related to marriage, related to business profits and all these stuff, right? For that also I keep posting in these you know my social network links. So if you are interested really, right, you can catch up with me for such details. What you do is you just follow me on Facebook and only try to ping me on Facebook Messenger. What are the answers you are looking for in terms of consulting or any questions, or if you want to learn something from me, you can reach out to me. And thank you for watching this presentation. We are, I'm at the end of my slides. So if you wish to also start the Nifty daily predictions, the subscription, you can open up a conversation with me. Again, try to reach me over the Facebook Messenger, with me using the description links that is appropriate to you. And then we can have a chat and see how you can move forward on that perspective. Thank you.